Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. I absolutely adore this wig. It's gorgeous. It's thick. Like when I say you need it, parting space, super thick. Let me just mess up my hair real quick. Parting space, thickiana, okay? We're gonna briefly put in a style. I just want to show you guys another style. Put it half up, half down. Absolutely love this hair. Okay, wait, why is this little messy half up ponytail kind of a vibe? Because I had to just throw it in a ponytail real quick and I was like, whoa, wait, why is this the vibe? Okay, yeah, this is going to be the hairstyle. Well, wait, why to the side is it a vibe too? Okay, I'm just starting to think that this whole wig is a vibe. We had it in a part to the middle, half up, bun, side, like.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. One of my favorite wig companies out there. I'm gonna briefly just show you guys how the hair came straight out of the package. Curl pattern was beautiful. The hair smelled like perfume, so it was giving great vibes. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like now. This is what it's looking like now. As you guys can see, I did bleach the knots and pluck at the hairline a bit because what you just saw, the hairline was a little thick. So I just wanted to do my own. This hair is really thick, so it's giving like 250 density. So for all my ladies out there who love like nice full thickness, gorgeous. And it has natural highlights. Like, let's get into this unit. And now as you guys can see, the hairline is just giving much more natural, really nice. So do be sure to customize your hairline. So we're gonna spray our handy dandy spray. Just go ham. Okay, so now we're going to just briefly take our lace. I'm gonna look for TikTok really quickly. And I like to minimize the appearance of my forehead. Just make sure, just like that. It's really good. I cut the sides really nice. One more time. Real quick, real quick. This could very well be a two-man job. Okay, now we have our melt belt on. And we're gonna just let this dry because if we remove it, we have no future. It's gonna fall off. What I loved about this hair, for one, it took the bleach easily. So if you're looking for some like super raw hair, Luvmehair, if you read their little specs, it's like they have like one hair donor. So I absolutely love that. The knots bleached easily. Sometimes some of these wig companies, their hair is not like 100% virgin. So it's hard to like manipulate hair that is actually not manipulatable. You know what I mean. Knots bleached easily. The hairline plucked beautifully. I was really having a fun time plucking the hair. Like each time, for one, plucking hair scares me. So if you're like me, you don't feel like you're the best like hair plucker, it's gonna just take time and you got this. But I was plucking it, taking my time, and it was really fun. I love the hair color. And then when I let the hair air dry, it was like a slight body wave. So just imagine like just the slightest body wave, straighter texture. But I think next time I want to try to like put some type of heatless curls, maybe like curling rod in it, because I want to achieve the curls that they had in the beginning. Those are so gorgeous. It really hasn't been that long, but I'm a little impatient. What I need to do is just comb it. Uh-oh, let's not mess up our... I do think that this lace you could tint. So I'm gonna probably go in with my powder. Okay, so there is like a white cast that I do see, and I want to go more glueless than anything. So what I'm gonna do, because what I'm not gonna do is go back in with some more spray, because typically whenever I do not glue it down with like actual glue and I just spray it down, to go in with some more spray, it really lifts everything. So we're gonna go in with our powder. I know you guys see this white cast. So this is going to help, right? So let's add the white. Now that this is about to melt, we're gonna brush our hair together, because I feel like if I take the melt belt off and then brush the hair, it might fall off. Am I gonna do this? All of these curls that I spent so much time. You guys, I hope it was worth it. It's gonna be cute. Just watch, it's gonna be cute. almost giving Beyonce. Okay. Baby, I can't go anywhere. It's giving very nice. As you guys can see, the hairline looks really good. I feel like when I spot touched it, it just made it perfect. I don't have any baby hairs because sometimes I'm not looking for little baby hairs. When I say this hair is of the thick, the two ponytails feel like one full, this feels like one full wig. We're gonna briefly put in a style because it's got a lot of little parting space. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's just do like half. We're just taking our fingers, maybe. Cute. All right. So I kind of want the sides to be like a little noticeable, like, oh. You know, like, oh, I see. It's her hair. I mean, but y'all know it's not my hair, but you know. You know. Do I need more, y'all? How thick this hair is. Like, I am honestly shook. Oh. All right, so I think this is good. I still want the middle part. Just take your time. It's cute. Hold on. Can I make it another round? I think so. Oh! Well, that was great. We could take it and kind of just tease at the hair a bit. Just to give it some more volume up at the top. So just a cute little style that you could do. The styles are actually endless and the vibes are endless. You could take out a little piece if you wanted to. Kind of like it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.